Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Tuesday, February 28th, last day of an epic month. Stocks yesterday opened lower, did come back and close on their highs once again, continuing this streak of upward days. Markets were modestly changed, very little in the green, but a nice move from those lows to close positive. Crude oil continues to coil, closed at $54 yesterday. The range was $54 to $54.60, so only a 60-cent range, going nowhere in that crude oil market, looking to see if it can make a break one way or another. On the move was gold. Gold made some new relative highs at $12.65, ended up closing at $12.59, unchanged, but those are new multi-month highs, so we've got crude, stocks, and gold up at the high end of their range. So after the mixed action yesterday and kind of a muted day, where do things stand here on this Tuesday morning? Well, we're off just a bit. We're down 2 points in the mini S&P, down 5 in the NASDAQ 100, and the Dow right now is off 6. Looking at the other markets, crude continuing to consolidate. Right now we stand at $53.50, down 55 cents. Now let's remember the last 5 sessions we've been trading between $53.35 and $55. So in a $1.65 range for 5 sessions in a row, something's got to give sometime. If we look at gold, gold right now is unchanged at $12.59. The currencies remain quiet. We've got the dollar at 101 and that euro currency above 106. So the news to hit the tape this morning, GDP came out unchanged at 1.9%. And we are at the tail end of earnings season. I don't know if we reported yesterday, but 90% of the companies have reported so far in the S&P, and 2/3 have beat their earnings estimates. Now, the earnings growth for this quarter is at 5%, so this will be 2 back-to-back quarters for the first time since the end of 2014 with earnings growth. So to summarize, as the stock market gets started here this morning, we're off just a bit, down 2 points in the mini S&P, down 5 in the NASDAQ, and down 6 in the Dow futures as it tries to extend its record closing streak to 13 consecutive sessions. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.